Hello and welcome guys. In this video I am going to talk about the Geonode, which is an open source geospatial content management system which is very useful for the sharing the data. So let's get started. First of all, let me talk about the spatial data infrastructure. I put the definition from Wikipedia. So it's the data infrastructure which deal with the geographic data, metadata, user and tool that are interactively connected in order to use spatial data in a effective and flexible way. So in later slide, I'll show you how Geonode help in the SDI development. Let's just think about the SDI that makes the uploading, sharing, and working with the geospatial data as easy as blogging, like blogging sites like WordPress or Wix.com. Let's imagine we are publishing the geospatial data which are the layer based and contain some geographic information as shown in this figure. Let's suppose one person, John, has some spatial data and he wants to display it and share all around the world. He upload it to the public SDI, make a cartographic style and then provide the background, and then he finally make a map wizard. After that, he was successful to share his geospatial data in a very easy way to the public SDI, which can be used by other users as well. It's cool, right? How is this possible? Let's think. The solution is Geonode. Of course, the Geonode provides the interface to upload your geospatial data, manage your geospatial data, also even the metadata as well, and then you can publish your geospatial data all around the world. What is Geonode? Geonode is an open source content management system. It is a web-based application for developing WebGIS portals and for deploying spatial data infrastructure. It's designed to be extended and modified and can be integrated into existing platforms. Also, the data can be connected to the QGIS, which is the desktop GIS software, and then we can easily manipulate them within the desktop GIS. Who is it for? For the user, it's just the portal where the user can upload, manage and share their geospatial data. For the developer, it's an stable open source geospatial project which can be easily customized if you are familiar with Django and Bootstrap and some of the programming languages. And for the admin, is the complete framework for OGC compliant web services. It's the metadata management system. It's really secure platform where you can make the groups and make the users and then share the geospatial data among some group or some for the some particular user as well. So this is the Geonode stack. If you are a developer, you might have to know these techniques to customize your Geonode. First thing is it's the Python based application which use the Django in backend, and then there is the GeoServer for managing your map layers and for storing the vector data and manipulating them. The Postgres database with PostGIS extension is used, and for managing the metadata, PyCSW, or we can use the GeoNetwork. And for the visualization interface, actually the map store framework is used. so that we can visualize our data in a very good manner. I hope you got some of the major information about the Geonode. Now it's time to demonstrate the Geonode, how it look like. Let's get started. Alright guys, here I am at the Geonode demo version. So this demo version is available on the stable.demo.geonode.org. From here we can access the Geonode demo version. So here in the front page you can see some of the basic informations, like this Geonode contain the total of 1266 layer and 163 maps, 163 document and 151 users. So here are the some of the discover, like dataset tags or class. We can see the data are classified based on like population, elevation or even boundary. We can simply click on this icon to redirect to the specific dataset. And yeah, this is the home page. So first thing we have to do is we have to register here, or if you are already registered you can simply sign in. So you can put your email address, username, and then you can resolve this captcha and password. So after that you can sign in. Since I already have the account, so I am going to sign in here. So simply by clicking sign in option, you can simply log into the Geonode. So here this is my profile. So it has some like set or change your password, or even you can change your profile, or even you can update your profile picture, or you can set the organization and then everything. So here are the all the resources that you have been uploaded will be available in here in the resource tab, all the layer, map or document. So first thing I want to do here is I want to go to home page, and then I want to upload the layer, upload my geospatial data. So for that, simply you can click on this upload layer button from this data toggler, and then after that you launch here. Actually you can drop the file, geospatial file here, or you can manually choose them. So simply click choose file, and then for me I'll choose the first of all I want to upload the this municipality.shp shape file, which is the municipality of Nepal. So I'm going to select all these files. SHP, PRJ, DVF and SHX file are the mandatory file. So if I upload it, it will start my upload, and after uploading it will process in the backend for the like set up in your layer, and then after that your layer will be available in the portal. So it says 100%. Now I think I can do the things. So simply I can, if I click on this uploaded layer button, I'll redirect to my map visualization section. So okay, so other things like you can set the permission who can view it. You can simply, by default it will be visualized by anyone on the internet. So but you can simply put some name who are already registered in the Geonode. So simply if you type some name, it will automatically suggest the name. So you can simply select these names, and then you can share among these as well, or you can simply share among the groups as well. And also there are lots of things who can download, who can change the metadata, who can edit data, who can edit style, and who can manage it. See, these things are the only for the permissions. Okay, similarly I can upload the raster data as well. So let me for this example, let me upload the in the raster data, which is here raster1.tif. So I have to select the file, and then I can simply click on
upload file. So this progress depend on your file size. If the file size is large, it will take some time to upload. And then similarly, you can see the status above here after uploading from this layer. So it's now processing, so it says 100%. That means my data is uploaded successfully. So if I go to the layer tab, I can see the uploaded data. This layer will appear based on the time. So these two layers I just uploaded. So there are lots of other layers which are uploaded by the other users, but this is just the two layers. For this demonstration, I uploaded raster and vector dataset. Here you can see it provides the lots of option to filter your dataset. So you can simply filter by the search option. So you can search based on your keyword, and then also you can search based on keywords which we are going to provide through the metadata section, and then also from this GEMET, and then also based on type. So if I select raster, then it will appear only the raster dataset. If we select the vector layer, it will select only the vector layer, and other as well, vector temporal series, and then remote layers. And also we can filter based on the categories, and then responsible groups and group category, date, region, and extent. This is a little bit cool feature. So if I move to some part, so the data around this map will be appear in this list. So if let's suppose if I zoom to Nepal, then the data which are located to Nepal will be visualized here. So I think that's all about this layer tab. So let me go to the any of particular layer, and then now my layer will be visualized like this. So here in the left side we can see the map, and then other attributable information we can see in the bottom. And then also here are lots of options like downloading layer, editing metadata or metadata detail, and then view layer, or even the download metadata, download layer. And then also here are lots of options which are really not necessary for the simple use. So here is the editing tool. So by clicking here, we can edit our metadata, or we can edit our style, and we can also set or upload the thumbnail, and we can also replace this layer. So first thing, I want to edit the metadata. So let me click it in the Enter tab. So okay, it provides lots of really nice UI to update your metadata of this layer. So here you can see it's the title. You can obviously change the title, and then you can provide the abstract, and then also you can change the category. Since it's the boundary file, maybe I can save it as the boundary. So boundaries, and then also this is the publication date. By default it's okay, and then I can share among the groups, but it's not necessary. I can provide to all, and then I think these are the other informations. And then also I can provide the like attribution, and then also restriction, like lots of informations like this. Yeah, so that's all for metadata editing. And also I can edit the style as well. So let me click it on the Enter tab so that I can show you. So here is my layer. So now it's like the really nice complete WebGIS application. So from here, actually, if I click here on the Edit Style tab, so my style can be updated based on this SLD. So if you are not familiar with the SLD, you can simply switch to the visual editor. So simply switch it, and then you can simply change the classification, like the style type to classification or pattern or the icon. So I'll select the classification type, and then simply I can select the color is like this color, and then attribute value classify based on maybe area. So it will automatically update my map here. So based on area, my map is classified, or if on the like based on other field as well, I can classify. And then also I can change the opacity and outline colors and lots of things. So yeah, in this way you can simply edit your map, or even I can change it to the pattern mark, and then this will look like this, and then pattern icon, and then I have to provide the icon URL, but this is not valid for my case. So okay, I'll make the style like this for now, and then I can simply save it, and then I can simply redirect here, and then if I reload it, so the my map should be updated. You can see legend is already updated like this, and then we can see the map. So it's really nice. It can really implement this. It is similar to the QGIS symbology manager. Yeah. So I think that's all about the styling. So also we can create the map based on like overlaying the 2 or more layers. So for that, simply you can go to the any particular layer which you want to create the map, and then simply if you click on the create a map tab, now you can create a map based on like overlaying 2 layers. Now you can simply add the layer, which layer you want to update. So for now I can say I can search as the world, and then maybe this one. So I know it does not make sense because this is the world boundary and this map is the Nepal boundary. It does not look nice, but if you have the overlaying 2 layers, then you can simply select 2 layers, and then simply you can save it as the new map. So you can save it as the Nepal world. I can save it. Now it's saved successfully. So in this way you can simply create the map as well. So the map will look like this. Similarly, if you want to like visualize this map, you can go to the explore map, and then here you can find all the maps that were created by the other users or by the you. Okay, so I think that's all about the creating map. And one more thing, like if you want to upload your document, and then if you want to create proper metadata like information system, then you can simply upload your documentation by clicking on upload document button, and then simply you can choose the document, and then by default the title will be extracted from the file name. Simply you can change the title as well. So after that you can upload it. So by default, one more time I want to repeat this thing. By default it will be for all the user, but you can of course restrict the document permission like this. Yeah, I think that's the major thing about the Geonode user. But if you are the administrator, like if you are the Geonode administrator or if you are the Geonode developer, then you will have the permission to edit the Geonode dashboard as well. The dashboard is made from the Django dashboard. So we can see the option here to move to the admin dashboard, but right now I am not the admin user, so I don't have this button. All right, I think that's all about the Geonode. I hope you like this project. So if you like this project and if you want to like implement the same project in your organization or in your any of the work, if you want to host this project and then share the geospatial data all around the world, then you can simply install it in your server and then you can start sharing. All right, in next week I think I'll create the video about how to install the Geonode in Windows. So I hope you will like that, and then you will get the exactly same interface in your own local host. So I'll see you next week. Thank you for watching.